Question number
32.
question number 32. Right? What is that?
Divide
Yes, divide
20,304
divide 20,304
4 into
into two parts
such that if one part is invested in
such. Okay, so this we divided into two parts. One is invested in
9%
one part.
is
Let amount be x. Amount be rupees x. So NV is
9%.
NV
50%. Sorry, 50 rupees.
rupees 50, right? Then dividend percent
9%.
9%. NV
8%.
MV
MV
8% at premium.
is
So it becomes 50 plus 50 into 8 upon 100. So it becomes 2, it becomes 4, it becomes 54. So MV is 54.
and other part is invested.
And second part, and the next part is 20,304 minus x. Right? And its NV is, what is the NV for this?
25 rupees.
25 rupees. Okay, 25 rupees is NV. Dividend percent
8%.
8%. Right. And MV is
8%.
8%. What, man?
25 plus
No.
MV,
नहीं 8% डिविडेंड हो गया
8%
MV
discount.
8% discount. So now you get here 25 minus 25 into 8 upon 100. So this is 4. It becomes 2. It becomes 23. So MV is 23. Right? And what else is your question? What your question is?
And the annual income from both the investment are equal.
Income is equal. Income is equal. Income is equal. Right? So what you can do? Income is what? Income is equal to number of shares into dividend percent into NV upon 100. Right? And number of shares is equal to money invested upon MV. You get this? Now, for first case, it is income 1 is equal to X. Sorry, number of shares is N is equal to how much? X upon 54. और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा n इज इक्वल टू 20304 माइनस x अपॉन 23. ये शेयर्स नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स हो गए, ये इसके नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स हो गए. नाउ इनकम वन इज x अपॉन 54 into dividend is 9 into NV is 50 upon 100 is equal to income is same, right? And second part 20,304 minus x upon 23 into dividend is 8 into nominal value is 25 upon 100. They are equal, becomes income equal, है ना? This is the income part 1 and this is income part 2. You get it? And they are equal. So how much you get? It becomes 2. It becomes 4. 4 times 2 becomes 8. Right? This is 2. So it is, we can write here 9x upon 6 times. So it becomes what? 9 times 6 becomes 54, no? So 6 comes with the 2, 12. So x upon 12, we get x upon 12 is equal to, this is how much? 20304 minus x into 2 upon 23. Right? You get this?
Yes.
I hope you get it. Fine. Now you cross multiply. You cross multiply this, so you will get 23x is equal to 12 times 2 becomes 24, 24 into x becomes, so you get 80604. Is it correct? 4 times 2 becomes 8, 0, 3 times 2 becomes 6, 0, 3 times 2 times 2 becomes 4. So 40,608 minus 12 times 2 becomes 24x. You get it? Now bring this on the other side. You get 23x plus 24x is equal to 40,608. So it becomes 47x is equal to 40,608. You get this? When you solve it further, then how much you will get? I do not know. So I know this only. It's 40,000. Wait. 608 divided by 47. Oh, great. Eh? Oh my god. Oh my god. I did wrong. Sorry. My apology. It is, you know, from here, just a little, you know, difference is there. No issue. Not a big problem. Not a big. Just silly mistake, calculation mistake. Just if brain is deviated, you get this kind of problem. You know, you get 12. You get 23x is equal to 20,304 minus x is equal to 24. You get it? So now you get 23x plus 24x is equal to 20,304 into 24. You get this? This was the mistake I did. Just, you know, lack of concentration and you met with the problem. 20,304 into 24. 4,87,296. 47x. You get 47x is equal to 4,87,296. Right? So we can write x is equal to divided by 10,368. When you solve this, right, 4 lakh, you get 10,368. 10,368. So x is 10,368. Right? So value of this x is 10,368, right? This is of x. And what will be the value for this? For this, what do you do? We will subtract here 20,304 minus 10,368. So how much you will get?
9,900.
Will you tell me what is the number? 10,000? No. 20,000?
304.
304 minus 10,000.
368.
Yeah. So you get 9,000.
900.
9,936. You get this? So this is the value of this part. This is. Right? So this 20,304 is divided in two parts. Right? And that is how much?
10,368 and 9,946.
This. Ready? This was question number 32. Okay.